Good morning. We are on day 3 today, and we are heading out this morning to go get breakfast, and then we are going to go do what's called, I think they call it sky jump, or jumping time, and it's with a room that's full of trampolines and everything, and Daddy and Angel are going to go jump before nap time. So that's what we're doing this morning. I hope you stick with us. So we decided for a restaurant, an actual like full-on restaurant today, which is not really typical for us. We like the outdoor restaurants or the street food and stuff like that. But can you see him?
Yep. Can you do it again?
Our little man is sleeping. It's like 10 minutes from our room, our house that we stay in, and he's asleep. So so we're eating breakfast alone, something we haven't done in a really long time. And
dulce mexicano.
We started with the cinnamon roll, and how is it? Oh, you're very bright behind you. Oh, even brighter. Now you're dark. The sun is potent. Is it good?
Coffee, good Mexican bread.
Yeah, so canela, cinnamon bread. And you said, how much cinnamon was in it?
Oh. Well, that's all cinnamon.
Yeah, so lots of cinnamon. So we're just waiting for our breakfast to show up, and then we're off for our day.
Waking up in a strange place. Did you have a good nap?
Is he waking up?
Did you have a good nap?
Of course he wakes up. The food just got here.
Always wakes up when the food's ready.
Do you want some breakfast?
Ready for some breakfast? Do you want to order his own, or do you want to just share yours?
Let's see where he's at first.
Hot cakes.
You going back to sleep? Yep. Okay. No, we have time to eat. Now I have the sun halo behind me because Daddy went outside to smoke a cigarette. And our little Angelito is still sleeping. And our plates have been taken away. So we are heading over to this place called Jumping Time so they can do trampolining for an hour. But we're taking our time because he's still sleeping. You're blurry. There you are. Are you waking up finally? Yeah? You done? Want some bread? I still have some bread on the table. Want some bread? No? Okay. It's Mexican bread. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. You stand up?
Mama.
What? Yep, that's Mommy's coffee. Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep? There's crayons on the table. Bread? Bread? Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Is it good? Oh, he says. Where did I wake up to? Bite hard. Use those teeth.
Are you gonna let him
Okay, here's what Angel picks out for
Not
breakfast.
with the crayon, silly. Oh, you got a spoon.
Want a spoon? Here you go. They just brought you a
Where's the
spoon.
fork though you had?
It's in my hand.
Oh.
So when we were here in January, Angel spotted this place and wanted to go in. If you remember, or if we're friends on Facebook, you might have seen the pictures where he was like trying to buy a car from the car salesman down here, and if you know, personality would buy you a car, he would have had at least 2 of them. But anyways, he spotted this place that he wanted to go in so bad, but he was only a year old and he was only walking like maybe 2 months at the time. So we promised when we came back we would take him. So here's where we're at right now. So Jumping Time is the name of the place. And there's nobody here, which is why we wanted to come back during the day. So he would have the place to himself, because he's never been on a trampoline except a little bit when we went to Connie Yaw. But he didn't jump. He just kind of sat on it while the girls jumped. So now him and Daddy are preparing. Are you gonna go in there? Yeah. So they're getting their socks on.
I need Mommy's help.
Gotta have special socks to go jump. Go up the stairs. Okay. Get your socks changed because he's going in.
Oh yeah, wait for Daddy.
Come here. frustrations out, honey. Get your frustrations out. want to get off the trampoline? I just wanted you to come off for a drink. You and Daddy are sweating up a storm. Okay, go play. It's like I'm not ready.
Don't go get your balls.
He's going back into the foam pit.
Coming? Wait. You pick up back. I'm playing with Dad now. Whoa! Careful, don't fall in the hole. Whoa!
Bye-bye, he says. We're definitely going to need to go swimming after this, huh? He's like, I'm stuck.
He does that. He falls over like he wants to be Mr. Independent. And then he gets
You
like
just got to
that.
roll over, kid.
He doesn't quite understand that that's...
Yay! Yay! Good catch! Toodaloo! Yay! Yay! Time the boys were done jumping, they were both ready for a drink and a snack. Stay tuned for our next adventure to see how our vacation ends.